Because
Just one moment.
point of order, nothing to relating to the business.
Please sit down.
Because
Please sit. Honorable members, as we continue this session, I trust that today proceedings will reflect the spirit of mutual respect and constructive dialogue that this House stands for. We shall now take up the business for the day. Postponed star question.
because
Under
the point of
Rule
order. Okay.
Under Rule 49(2) of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of Goa Legislative Assembly, I would like to postpone star question number 1A to the next session. Similarly,
1A.
another unstart question number 010, tabled by Alex Regional. I would like to postpone it to the next session. It's a comprehensive reply, so I want to give a proper reply. Though it is unstart, I want to give a proper reply. So these both may be postponed to the next session.
Because एक point of order. आयच्या दिसाक जेन्ना आनी I would like to bring it to your notice that today a lot of answers that are given to us, basically the replies sub judice, most of the cases, whatever replies we have got, specifically I will place it on the table of the House. Today it is our right to, Speaker Sir, debate on even matters that are sub judice. It is, we should not speak on the merit of the case. But आज example, सगळे answers जे mainly दिले sub judice. We are here these matters are taken using public fund. If we cannot selectively जोरीतोर आम्ही sub judice matters declare करचे ना. Example, मुख्यमंत्री आंदा गोंयभर भोंवता मजे घर. तेगे घर काय न्हू तें मजे घर स्कीम तेंय sub judice. पूण तो पेरगांव इतलो मोगान लोकांचे इतलो मोगान आसा इतलो मुरगोटा आसता. इतलो मुरगोटा ते तुवें सांगपा जाय सब जुडिस तुमक जाय तेसले सिलेक्टेड सब जुडिस. Speaker sir, this is not fair. It is our right of all the members here. Sub judice matters needs to be discussed. Secondly, Speaker sir, जे आज point of order आमचे चिंबेलचो लोक आज they are protesting. They met Honorable Chief Minister yesterday. हांव केलो तेदो आपोवं नाय. पयलीं दिसा म्हणलो आपयतो मो. But today their demand is जे sub judice. आज या सरकारान एक सब जुडिस खातें सब जुडिस डिपार्टमेंट नेक्स्ट सेशन हम सगळे सब जुडिस आणि एक खातें उक्ती करचे पोस्टपोनमेंट खातें म्हणजे पोस्टपोन करू जाल्यार थिंग घालप टाक 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 ही दोन्ही खाती करची व्हॉट आर वी डुईंग आणि हे चिंबेल्स लोकालेले डिमांड आहे की होल्ड जे कोर्टाची ऑर्डर आहा कीप दॅट ऑर्डर स्पीकर सर हे तुम्ही चॅलेंज करपा न्हू दिस इज व्हॉट इज देअर demand. So I think Honorable Chief Minister, you need to look into this and basically initiate a dialogue. Otherwise, there will be a law and order problem. Today, there are not hundreds, thousands will be there. And yes, sub judice for muta. Please give us an answer. So whether Majegar should be discussed here or no. Chief Minister today will speak. Governor also spoke about Majegar. That should be discussed or no. Tung zai title. Aaj Madhei sub judice, CZMP sub judice, TCP sub judice. टाइगर रिजर्व सब जुडिस जॉब रिक्रुटमेंट सब जुडिस हा तितले सब जुडिस तो एक सब जुडिस खाते तुम्ही नेक्स्ट टाइम ओपन करचे आम्ही ते सब जुडिस डिपार्टमेंटा मागी थंय घाता हे चोयल्यार मुख्यमंत्री बाब तूं दोतोर हांव विमानाचो पायलट हे चोयल्यार हे करोस आम्ही मागी आदोगाद जातले आणि आमचे स्पीकर जुईज जातले अशें दिसता.
ठीक आहे सर. आणि चिंबलचो विषय जो काढलो पळय न्ही तो हांव मेन्शन करपा खातीर उबो रावलो. काल त्यांच्याकडे डायलॉग ऑलरेडी सुरुवात केला. त्यांच्याकडे वेगवेगळ्यो गजाली त्या संदर्भात उलयल्या. हांव आयज परतूय सांगता त्याच्यातले 4 जण कोण आहा ते उलोवपाक घेवचे आमी डिस्कशनाक ओपन आसा तांच्यांनी आंदोलन करचें न्ही हांव ताका सांगता कारण ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू देम सगळे म्हणजे
काल डिमांड ऑर्डर तुम्ही चॅलेंज करपा नाही ऑर्डर तू चॅलेंज करू नाका.
तांकां कितें सांगलां तें तुका सांगलां तेंच्यांनी
हय सांगलां आमकां.
काल ते जेन्ना उलयल्या तेन्ना ऑर्डरूय मेळूंक नाशिल्ली. ऑर्डर तेच्या उपरांत मेळ्ळ्या. ऑर्डरीच्या संदर्भात तांकां कितें विचारपाक जाय आसलें जाल्यार आयज येवन तेंच्यांनी 4 जाणांनी उलोवनी. हांवें ताका सांगलां
ऑर्डर तुवें वाचल्या.
ऑर्डर आज वाचले हांवें.
माय ऑर्डरा प्रमाणे and what is your decision? Are you going to challenge it in the court?
I want to take the legal opinion. हांवें आयजूच
No, this is legal opinion. Speaker sir, this is not the people.
Postpone star question number 3.
पंचा सरपंच आणि लॉ अँड ऑर्डर प्रॉब्लेम करपा जाय.
Wednesday Vegas, postpone star question 3A. Postpone star question 3A.
कॉल कर रे
Andy.
कॉल इट आउट
तेका याद ना एनजी
3A मोड रे
तुका याद ना तुका
3A मोड रे
पोस्टपोन क्वेश्चन 3A.
ही कॉल
म्हाका सांगपा जाय आता तो पळय विषय करता पोस्टपोनमेंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो इज अ राइट ऑफ द मिनिस्टर. Even a member under 49(1) is allowed to withdraw his question. These are rights. These are according to the rules. These are the rules if he does not read them. बेश्टे कित्याचेर विषय याचेर इश्यू केलो जायना स्पीकर सर.
कॉल आउट
बस रे
3A
Question start. Start question number 1.
Answer provided.
कोणागे कोणी विचारूंकूच ना तूं आन्सर कित्याक दिता कोणीच दिवंक ना
I have already called out the next question.
Next question.
Start question number 1.
वन
Why one? 3A he called out the question.
No, he has not called out the question.
He called out. कितें उलयता रे? शे. हे स्पीकर सर मातशे मुखेलमंत्री मातशे शांत राव रे मातशे राव सगळे तूच उलयता. तो स्पीकर कितें आहा आमकां ना जाल्यार मातशे राव मरे की
Start question number 1.
मातशे सुसेगाद.
He has not.
स्पीकर सर
He has not stood up.
stood up and called
I'm
out.
looking at him for the last 10 minutes.
Sir, you already
Called out.
Question star number 1.
हे कितें स्पीकर सर he said answer
number
as
one.
cyclostar मा answer केल मा तेणे. कितें तुमी? If he called it out, speaker sir, he called out the question and he said answer as per cyclostar.
Another point of order. Speaker sir, you have called question number 1.
Question number 1.
Speaker sir, without him calling out that question, why did the minister reply?
अरे कितें
Why is the minister?
Start
Nobody is
question
doing.
number 1.
Postpone start question.
Why is he answering things which are not being asked? It's simple, Speaker sir.
अरे speaker sir.
There is a decorum of the house.
ये ऐसे
No,
history
reply
history डालना.
quickly.
Never in the history has something like this type of precedent happened.
तो
He has called the question.
अरे तशें नाही.
He has called the question.
विचार करून घ्या. बाकी सगळे उलयता स्पीकर सर.
Speaker sir, advocataचेर
Vijay Sardesai, please sit down.
कोट्यांनी रुपया पडले. Result zero.
Please sit down. Please sit down. Start question number 1.
स्पीकर सर तुम्ही म्हाका उब राव म्हणला हांवें 3A म्हणला आतां हे डिस्कशन कितें म्हाका समजना घटिना
Start question number 1.
लिगल फिजाचे क्वेश्चन घायलो तुम्ही म्हाका उब राव म्हणला हांवें 3A म्हणला तें एक्नॉलेज केला आतां हे डिस्प्यूट कित्याचे म्हाका तो कळना
Because Cabral, Segadre, swearing in
सांग
the
मरे.
time आहा.
Speaker sir, give your ruling. Give your ruling.
I have called
Sir,
out-
Give your ruling without asking the question. Why did the minister reply? I just want to know this.
I have
If he
already
has
called
never
out.
asked,
Start
he has
question
never
number
asked, why did he
1.
reply?
Start question number 1.
Minister सपने था.
Start question
सपने
number
था
1.
ना स्वप्न आयले तुझेच आयले
तो
स्वप्न.
मिनिस्टर सपने था. तर कितें मिनिस्टर बरो ना? ना
Because
टाउन प्लॅनिंग मिनिस्टर सपने था. कितें जालें ताका? अरे तो विचार नासतना रिप्लाय कित्याक दिली? ताणें जर विचारूंकूच ना जाल्यार रिप्लाय कित्याक दिली? म्हाका कळना. Speaker sir, give me a ruling on this. I will cite the rules. I will cite the rule under which you have to give me a ruling. You give me a ruling how minister could reply without the question being asked.
he's
Simple thing.
Shaktiman.
One for his mind only.
अरे this is a serious issue. कोट्यांनी रुपया शेकड्यांनी कोटी मोडटात.
Because
सब जुडिस करपाक आनी रिजल्ट मेळना. विश्वजीत राणेचे सगळे डिपार्टमेंटच कोर्टान आहा. फुल कोर्टान आहा.
एक क्वेश्चन गेले म्हाका विचारले हे जो लिगल फीज आहे तेजे फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊसाचे प्लेस कोत म्हणले ते गेलते पार्टी फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊसाचे घालता
Postpone question म्हणलो.
गेलते पार्टी घालून आणि हे पार्टी आता आपले क्वेश्चन एस्कोन मिसगाइड कोताय
जी आम किती हा गोयात
we want the entire revenues that was being collected to be tabled on the floor of the house. This was the demand last time.
Please sit
कोताय
down.
म्हणले
Renzi Vegas.
डिपार्ट करपाचे आता
Please sit down.
पोस्टपोन आता
Please sit
पोस्टपोन
down.
करना काय
No, you can't
I
postpone question.
I called out.
This
I
is a
called out.
postponed
Start
question.
question number 1.
अरे but how can you postpone a postponed question? What happened to the postponed question?
postponed. Postpone as a postpone.
Moving Gurino just now, postpone the question to the next session.
Postpone as a
In the next session, can you do this?
Postpone.
What is being done today?
One.
आता तुम्ही पोस्टपोन केला नेक्स्ट सेशनान केले सेम ताजे तेच
Last session.
अरे लास्ट how it can be postponed again? It can't be postponed after it goes to the next session.
Because of Masha ruling.
अरे there is a ruling. Your legislature secretary advised, don't make a mockery of the house.
Never has happened like
You
this.
cannot postpone a postponed question. अरे
This is more.
what did you reply?
More.
What did the minister reply?
Did you actually hear
The
me
question was not called.
You
Huh?
didn't reply.
The minister who
अरे
रावलो,
बाबा.
किती रावलो, so who रावलो?
Next. What's the next question?
Abhi Subhash Fernandez cannot advise like this. He wants to become town planning minister. That's what he's telling
So
you.
we want you to table.
Everybody
want
wants
you
to
to
become
table
town
the
planning minister.
entire fees that has been collected on the floor of the house. This was the demand last time. You had told us that you are going to table it out. You did not table it out. We want you to table out.
Speaker sir.
I call for the question. You stood up.
How inside Speaker sir. J 3A, yeah?
No, I don't know what is 3A, but
Honorable member,
Honorable
member,
Cyclostar.
Honorable member.
Speaker sir, ये कैसे ले रहे हैं गुंडाओं
Honorable member, I had asked the honorable member to call out the question number 3A.
He called it out, Honorable
He did
Speaker,
not,
with due respect.
he did not stand.
Can I show you?
He did not
Can I
stand.
show you by him calling the question?
Check this.
Yeah, call out.
Check this.
Check.
Check this. Benji is calling out the question.
Okay, 3A.
Upper Vishay. Correct.
मैं एक 3A मूवी ऐको इल्ला.
अरे कोण केला तो पण
स्टार्ट
दिसता
कर.
कोणाचे?
आओ नाला इंसादा.
मैं अरे किती आहा? तुम्ही डडडीत फटी मारता मला. स्पीकर सर फटी मारपाचो एक लेवल असता.
This
इतकी
is
डडडीत मारत ना.
mockery of good governance.
Okay, honorable member, call out question number 3A.
Sir, जे details as per annexure 1 दिलोय, those details are not complete. We want to have the full details of the entire fees paid till date. यो जो details दिलो आहे तो सारखं काय information I want my first supplementary to be answered very clearly. We want the entire details to be tabled on the floor of the house. Speaker sir, वो otpan answer गेलते party दिलेलो, otpan answer ए party दिलो Speaker sir. We want entire clear details and explanation of why these fees are not collected appropriately and why there is discrimination in collection of these fees, Speaker sir.
Honorable Minister.
He's asking about the two table. And tu answer na. Answer na.
पीछे
3A then delay.
सांगून दे ना स्पीकर
सांगेल बरं.
स्वप्न तयारी सांगितले अलाउड केले प्रश्न केले
स्पीकर सर
स्वप्न रे बाबा
मंत्री स्वप्नेता कितीतरी जागा.
स्पीकर सर
And how I, Speaker sir, Mukhyamantri, I request him to take care of his right side.
Question number
तुझा
3.
राईट हँड मॅन तो स्वप्नेता अजित राहू शकना. आणि त्याने सांगलं म्हणून तुका कॉल आउट केलं मला.
की आज टेबल what is this?
1B काय किचो
किती?
3A.
अरे आऊन जाता स्पेसिफिक इन्सान
ना ना स्पेसिफिक इन्सान तुका तुगे नेक्स्ट चराचे तुझे जो आन्सर दिला फर्स्ट एजो तो आन्सर क्लियर ना वी नीड टू नो द डिटेल्स हाउ मच फीज
पहिला
you have collected
प्रश्न-
and why you are collecting fees in a haphazard
अरे
manner
आता speaker
ते
खंयचे दिला?
down to
स्पीकरान खंयचे आपयला क्वेश्चन
3A
3A.
sir
स्पीकर सर as far as 3A is concerned all details have been given to the honorable
those
member.
details are falsifying details we need to make sure that you give us the entire
Speaker sir I can't hear if 10 people speak at a
Please
particular
speak
time.
one at a time.
No, answer into annexure A. Please table it on the floor of the house. We will tell you all that details that are not been given.
No.
And this is all falsifying. This is
Honorable member Mr. Benzi Vegas is talking so loudly and I am going deaf. We have got a good sound system put by Honorable Speaker.
That is not the answer to the question.
Please do not
Let
interrupt.
him give a very specific question, and to that question today, before the, by 12:30, I'll put it on the floor of the House. I don't know
No,
what is
this was
specifying.
committed last time. It was never done.
All the details have been given in
we
this
want these-
answer and has been uploaded, Speaker. Sir, I cannot give any more information that he's asking for. If he has anything specific, let him table the question on the floor of what specific information. अरे दिला दे घालमूड सांग रे.
काय
ऑनरेबल मेंबराक हांवें सांगूंक सोदता तो कितें मागता तेका सांग म्हूण सांग वाच म्हूण सांग हांव ऑफिसराक सांगता दी म्हूण घालता न्ही.
Specific question answer.
Entire fees paid till date do not match what you have given. We want you to specifically
आयज
give the
पर्यंत
entire thing.
तेका जर जाय
That is I know. Going to लोका जाय. Going to लोका जाय and going to लोकान गेलते पार्टी मागले. And गेलते पार्टी watch answer आलो.
Auno.
Floor of the house घातलो.
Honorable
गेलते
member,
पार्टी वो answer दिवून
let the
आपले
minister
sir.
reply.
We
Let the
want
minister
before
reply.
this session gets over in the afternoon to be tabled, not after 1 o'clock. Specific time. गेलते पार्टी दिवू ना अशें कोण सांगलोले.
Because,
I need these details now.
Because sir, they विचारतात they are asking cases which are in the courts which we have given the same. If there is anything additional he wants, we'll give it. We cannot answer beyond the brief is.
So you do
all,
what
all,
you do question
all the
At a time, please.
I say sir,
Please sit down.
Vijay, Matsa,
AG is your main officer.
Vijay Sardesai.
ऑफिसराचेर बेश्टे घालू नका उत्तर दिता.
Speaker sir, AG is the legal officer. He is a member of the
Vijay
house.
Sardesai.
Yes, sir.
Wenzy Vegas is asking, your element of listen.
No, we are asking, but he is not replying to the question.
Because sir,
Every now and then, there is a breach of whatever information he is giving to us. Last time also was the same thing. A party same dalya. Answer same
Yes, sir.
answer.
Because
Why
sir,
is this consistently happening in every
Not
assembly
talking-
session?
not talking
आप
of
जो
which
जो host
question.
मागताय, याच questionाचे हांव परत answer मेळना speaker sir. And we are asking the question परत घुसपायन परत मुट्टा we will table on the
because
floor.
sir, प्रश्न त्यांनी खंयचो A, B, C, D खंयचे मागता तू?
If we are talking about your annexure A,
No,
the
annexure
answers
A.
what you have given
Yes.
are not correlating with what the facts are there.
You have asked the questions, right?
Yes.
You have asked the questions. So should I read it? You have asked, there are cases which are in the courts of law.
Don't have to read the question,
One
you
minute.
check your annexure.
Yes, all have been paid and all the details are paid, we have given, and you read the question very clearly. If there's anything missing, you tell me, I'll place it. There's nothing to hide.
Nothing missing in the question. Answers are missing.
Yeah.
So answer check
See,
करून कित बरयलो तो.
Benzi, all the time honorable member likes to create, everybody tries to create a big bogey of certain things. Here everything is mentioned and everything has been mentioned. Let him be very specific to what he wants. I'll give it to him. I have no problem.
We want the details of the fees paid which you have not put. All your
Sir,
information is falsifying.
Because sir, आम्ही
Your information
general-
is falsifying.
general
Your
सांगता.
information is
आम्ही
not
जर
matching.
सगळें दिलें. आम्ही आता समजा 9 कोटी सुमार बिलां जाली. आम्ही जे आतापर्यंत पे केल्या ते एक 5-6 कोटी रुपया आम्ही पे केल्या. तेका एक्झॅक्टली स्पेसिफिकली कितले आम्ही आमकां आमचे बिलां वयर काडल्या ते लीगल कंपनीन आणि आम्ही कितले पे केल्या तुका हांव आयज दिता एका पयलीं दिता.
ना तू एका पळय केन्ना दिना.
postpone कित्याक केलो?
फोन केल्यार
Why haven't you got these details? Party कशें केलो तुवें?
One minute. These people have got a.
What do you mean these people?
1 minute.
This
1 minute. ऐक रे साहेबा.
language
तुका ते व्हडल्या आवाजान ते रॅली नव्हती ती असेंब्ली ती म्हाका आयकपाक येता तुझे कितें आहा ते.
व्हडलो आवाज आणि
नाही, व्हडलो आवाज म्हणजे आयकपाक येता हांव बॉम्ब मारू
मार तू.
तुका आयकपाक येवचें ना मागीर.
अरे आपको गोंयच लोक
अरे गोंयचो लोक सोड गोंयचो लोकांनी
हे जे कोट्यांनी पैसे जे माफ केले,
कोट्यांनी पैसे जे हळणे करू नका.
DCP department is doing maximum fraud.
I
like
no, point of order. Please
Second
ask
time
the
we are asking this
Speaker,
question and I am answer man now, Speaker sir.
No, Speaker,
Every
sir.
time this is happening,
I
the same
want to raise
minister,
a
the
point
same
of order.
department.
No, जाय
आणि
ते
ती
fraud
minister acceptable
करता
आहे.
and हे इलेक्शनाची तयारी करता.
तो इलेक्शन तयार करत आहे.
इलेक्शन
हे-
आज
हे-
तुमचे ना
हे- हे-
एलायन्स तुमचे जावचे ना
I think
आणि
this is
एलायन्स करपाक आणि दुसरा बसता
topic over here, Speaker sir.
आप पाहिजे झाले
Because sir, election
I don't think I want to
is
answer this question if he is going to be debating for the issue.
very specific.
कॅन्स कित्याक जाता तुका बरें तें अरे हांवें सांगलें तुका पयरूच तुम्ही जेन्ना हात वयर उखल्ले हे तुजे घात करतले म्हणून तू आमचे हात धर हांव तुका धरता आनी हाडटा ह्या सायडीक
Because sir,
आणि तू आमच्या सायडीक
Speaker sir,
second, sir.
very
Supplementary.
specific.
Please,
The
please
current
hold on,
status
hold on,
of
hold
the
on.
cases.
Hold on, one moment. How many of you all want to ask a question?
Speaker sir,
Why is he standing?
I can't talk to 3 people at a time.
Please sit down. One of you all ask the question. Wednesday Vegas.
Correct.
Yuri Alimov, please.
First supplementary mark answer मेळना. Second, all the cases that
Because
are
sir, point of
disposed,
order. किती मिळवलं ना ते सांगू लाय.
all the cases that are disposed and dismissed, हेजे जो status आ, ओ मेळना. All the cases that are
कितें
disposed
जाय?
and dismissed. We want why you haven't given us this information.
What information? Again explain to me.
होय. कितें?
Explain to me. What information you want?
The cases which are disposed and dismissed as current.
All the
status.
cases are running in the court.
So I want
So
the
that's
status.
why you
I
want,
want the
you
actual
want,
status
you want
of how
exact,
much
no, one
fees you
sec.
have collected.
Let's talk in English.
Huh? Let's
Because I
talk
can't understand the speed of which you speak.
How English उलयत मरे?
म्हाका कळना तू मदी कोंकणी उलयता
Sir,
मदी इंग्लिश
हांव-
कळटा म्हणजे
हांव English उलयता,
आमी
but
सादे
let's
लोक
talk in English.
आमकां कळपाक जायना ते
Sir, कितें उलयता?
आमकां सारखें सांग की बाबा तुका जे cases
षष्टीची-
अरे, why are 3 people standing?
कोकणी सारखी ना होती.
Honorable members,
आता we are wasting
one
20
person to ask
minutes
a
we have
question.
wasted.
please ask your question.
I
My
can't
question
understand.
is,
कोंकणी
why
उलयल्यार
haven't we
मराठी
given
उलयल्यार
the
इंग्लिश
information
आतां
of the
सासवडी ग्राउंड मराठी उलोवपाक
disposed and
लागला.
dismissed cases? Because sir,
Can you repeat it, please?
we need specific information and status of the disposed and dismissed cases. We haven't got this information.
We will give him that information.
Why you have not given? I have asked and helped you.
अरे I said I'll give
Give him
information. There's nothing to hide.
The question.
आमचे सगळे केसेस चालू आहा कोर्टान डिस्पोजल जावपाचे कित्याक तुम्ही
answer
घालिता आणि त्याच लोकांक
तुम्ही answer
केस येता आणि तेच तुमचेर ऑब्जेक्शन काडटा
बरे, Speaker
Objection
sir,
करता.
एक minute. Very specific, Speaker sir, I'll be very specific. Now, from your answers, it looks like your department looks more like a legal background and rather than a planning authority that TCP has to be. Instead of focusing on their regulation, development, zoning, sustainable growth, your energy is consumed more in defending cases across High Court, across Supreme Court. My question is across High Court, across Supreme Court, across NGT, and this situation is not accidental. Lokache galopna. People are forced to do this. And that's because
I want to just correct you. Point of
Why
order.
disturbing me?
Point of order. Is it a specific institution that shut down mining or is it a specific people लोकांचे म्हणून तुम्हीच हा लोकांचे समर्पक आम्ही ना हांगा लोकांचे हित समर्पक आणि फाटलो इतिहास काढून देऊ
Speaker sir,
आणि तू आज काँग्रेसाचो लिडराचो एक मिनिट हो काँग्रेसाचो लिडराचो ऑपोजिशन हा ह्या लोकांनी चड आणि चड कन्वर्जन आपल्या टायमान केल्ले आसा 9.5 कोटी रुपये आणि हे तांकां अधिकार आहा टाउन प्लॅनिंगाचेर विचारपाक हांगा दिव तुका स्टेटमेंट की काँग्रेस पार्टी डिस्ट्रॉयड द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा बाय कन्वर्टिंग द लार्जेस्ट लँड अरे बापरे मुख्यमंत्री असलो तेन्नाचे गोष्ट बापायचे मुख्यमंत्री तो सगळ्यांपेक्षा चड एफिशियंट मुख्यमंत्री तो आशिल्लो आणि ते आम्ही कोणी हावजान जर बसल्या त्या लेवलाचेर पावचे ना
कोण आलो एफिशियंट
Speaker sir,
एफिशियंट आलो
आता काँग्रेस डिपेंड करता काँग्रेस काँग्रेसीक काही करता
काँग्रेसी अरे तुम्ही काँग्रेसी आशिल्लो तुम्ही बीजेपीचे सरकार आशिल्लो आणि आमचो मित्र
ओरिजिनल काय उलयता सगळे डुप्लिकेट तुम्ही
अरे ते खुर्ची सोडून हांगा यो
Honorable Minister.
बरें जातले आमचे सगळ्यांचे
सर पयलीं सद्या एक मिनिट जो बाब जो तो उलयता काँग्रेसीचेर पयले सुवातेर 10,000 थिंग आहाय जो काँग्रेसी केलो तेकाय एक्झाम्पल जो युआर पॉइंटिंग
हांव कोणाचें example दिता, आमच्या पार्टीचें example दिता.
फिंगर्स दिगंबर कामत
अरे दिगंबर कामाचे नाव घेऊ नका दिगंबर कामाचे नाव घेऊ नका
कोण गेले?
एका बी तुवें लिडर मानूंक जाय तो आमचो तेन्ना लिडर आशिल्लो विसरलो अशें मागीर कशें तूं आयला कसो वयल्यान येवंक ना तुज्या फाटल्या इतिहास काढून पळय कितें आहा ते इलेक्शनान आयलो कसो हे इलेक्शनान येवपाचे पयलीं तो इतिहास काडपाक पळय ते इतिहास दवरलाय ना दाखोवपाक
अरे इतिहासान उरना जे आज गोंय चल्ला
अरे आम्ही दोघां सोड रे सगळे
स्पेसिफिक कितें
म्हाका काय कळना तू कितें विचारूंक सोदता ते आणि ऑपोजिशन विचारता की बाबा काँग्रेस पार्टी आणि हेच वचून ते स्टेजीर बसता आणि गोंयांत राखूंक जाय म्हणून अरे गोंयची वाट लायली शॉर्टपॅन्टाचे वाट लायले हे काँग्रेस पार्टीन लायले वाट आणि तू त्या काँग्रेस पार्टीचो लिडर 3 आमदार उरल्या बाकी आयले ह्या सायडीक तुझे काँग्रेस पार्टीचे फुडले फावट इलेक्शनात तू एकटो कदाचित बाकी सगळे वयता घरा
सर एज मुखार
हा, माझो friend हा, पळय, पळयतलो.
एक मिनिट एज मुखार स्पीकर सर
एंटर येतलो त्या एंटराक आम्ही सांबाळटा
सर.
तू एकटो सांबाळून घे की
ऐक
तू
रे.
जे
अरे,
डिफेंड करता
पहिले-
अरे ऐक हांव सांगता रे
सर.
तू जे डिफेंड करता त्या पार्टीन 9 कोटी स्क्वेअर मीटर जाल्ले आणि तुम्ही टार्गेट करता डिपार्टमेंटाक जेन्ना तुम्ही गोयचे वाट लायला काँग्रेस पार्टीन
सर.
आणि काँग्रेस पार्टी तुला
सर.
जस्टिसान सांगले तुम्ही कॉन्स्टिट्युशन हेडाक डिस्टर्ब करता म्हणून आणि तुमचीच पूछ वाढली ह्या म्हणून वचा ते फर्स्ट वर
Ask,
वचा अरे आवाज इतला व्हडले करपाक आमकां बी कळटा
Because,
33 लोक बसले हांगा
Honorable Minister,
पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर
विजय
काय विजय बी काय ना विजय आमचोच
तू गेलो
आमचोच तो माझो बरो मित्र तो आमचोच
Speaker, sir.
अरे विजय सरदेसाय आमचोच माझो फ्रेंड तो तुम्ही माझो फ्रेंड
Honorable Minister.
ऐक रे
व्हॉट इज दिस हॅपनिंग
ए एलओपी
Just sit down.
अरे how you sit down you tell me
Speaker, sir.
you
Please
tell
sit
me
down.
you are diverting the issues you are talking about saving Goa
Point
you have the right to save Goa
will save
you don't have the right to save Goa because you have entered into politics on a state of corruption
सेफ गवर्नमेंट
Are my foot you save Goa. You cannot because Congress has destroyed. That's why your numbers will be
Congress
destroyed.
is not destroyed.
And leader of
Your
which came on a state of corruption into the party. अरे तू विधानसभा आयला कसो?
विश्वजीत कसो आयलो बोलोन आयलो लोकांना धाडा
Yuri Alemao.
आणि धाडलो बी घरा.
Yuri Alemao, you ask your question.
या फर्स्ट एक मिनिट बोस रे
अरे माझ्या फ्रेंडाक बस म्हणून सांगू नका. हांव बसना तू म्हाका सांगू शकना.
Sit down.
अरे उठ.
कितें उठू
नाका उठून हाडटा हांगा.
Because sir, very specific. Today, the question I was being very specific. Ki the fee structure today is outrageous. 16.5 lakhs for a single hearing, 7.5 lakhs for another hearing, crores of rupees for a state today that is struggling with finances. आज Western असो निर्माण जाता जो AG आहा तो puppet. AG is not competent. Is he deliberately sidelined? 1 minute.
Please let him ask the question.
Point of order,
Ask the
Speaker,
question.
sir. He
Can
is
you
asking
please sit
3
down?
questions. Are you allowing 3 supplementaries? Ask him to ask 1 question and answer it.
So this is only, I am coming to the point. No? Speaker sir, आज jenna written High Court petitions on TCP under evaluation show how these particular people are forced to go to court and the finance department was forced to get a circular and intervene. आज Speaker sir, why does the TCP department spend in crores of rupees on private lawyers, on advocate generals, when the office exists to defend the state? Does this not amount to sidelining the AG, or is the AG not capable? The honorable, see, you spoke a lot about Congress. Congress has a tallest leader, Pratap
अरे
Singh Rane.
काँग्रेसाचे
अजून
सगळे
काँग्रेसीन आहा.
काँग्रेसाचे हात पाय
काँग्रेसीन
दाखला
अजून
आमकां.
प्रताप सिंग राणे असा.
अरे माझो बापायचे उलो नका तुझो
अरे,
बापूय मंत्री
तो
आशिल्लो.
काँग्रेसीचो
शेखर राव.
leader. पयलो
अरे,
तू
सोड.
तू पण म्हाका सांगता काँग्रेसीचे उलयत त्यांनी काँग्रेसीच्या
leader of
वेळार
opposition.
मुखेलमंत्रीन बुक रिलीज केला तेजे जे काँग्रेसाचे कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन
अरे, ते
आणि
book
leader of opposition.
रिलीज करपाक
काँग्रेसान अजून आहा तू बडे
Honorable leader of opposition.
तशे धांवला तुमचे बी अशे तशेच जाल्या.
Are we here to discuss about the political parties? Are we here
Correct.
to discuss about
He has pointed
No, no,
fingers at
one
him.
second. Role of the other chief ministers and all, then I am entitled to speak and defend.
Please speak.
I defend and I speak, then it will be very damaging for all of those who speak like this. I think if they are not interested in taking up this
तुझे
question,
rule with that,
move to the
तुझे
next
rule with
question.
Please ask
What
your,
is it?
finish your
Other
question.
one-
Speaker sir, see.
Speaker sir, first
Please sit down, Venzi Vegas.
No, but what are we
He's
talking
asking
about?
the question,
Question,
let him finish
केले
the
answer
question.
पण असो time चो कितली जालतो
I have asked.
and we are talking all over.
He has spoken about what the Congress has.
Please ask your question.
Speaker sir, first of all, फाल्याचो दीस opinion poll. हो दीस जरी जर काँग्रेसान दिवं ना जाल्यार आमी हिंगा आसपा न्हू. हुंय आहले दाणगीन सरपंच पंच बी मुखेलमंत्री आसपा न्हू. हे काँग्रेसान कितें केलें तें सांगचें न्हू. खास करून ते पड गेले ते पुजा म्हळें थोड्यांनी भितर पेंटा भितर गेले ते बाजू काँग्रेस आसतना दिसता गेले. अजून म्हणटा इतले जा केला.
Ask
आनी
your
काँग्रेसीन केला.
question.
आनी हे उलयता आज
Ask your question.
why is the TCP department spending crores on private lawyers when the Advocate General already exists?
Is this a question? I would like to share with the honorable member that there are several cases going on of complex nature in the court, High Court, Supreme Court. As a result, I would also like to draw his attention in the last 5 years, when he talks about the finances of the state, This department has raised in the last 5 years more than 710 crores of rupees for the state exchequer. Amount of money spent on the court cases is less than 1.5% of the revenue that is earned by this department for the state. Many times there are complex issues. We have lawyers like Tushar Mehta, who is the Solicitor General of India, who advises us and who advises us on the panel of lawyers that we have to take to defend the matters of the state of complex nature. So I would like to also draw his attention that when their party was in power also, several lawyers used to be taken. Here I talk with justification of the amount of money that is raised for the state. State government, town and country planning department is one of the only department that has raised the highest number of money and revenue for the state of nearly 700 and odd crores, of which 1.25% has been spent on court cases. This is the answer that I would like to give him. When he talks of the state finances and state being finance, we have also raised finances. And it is not only about the people, it is about a particular institution that shut down mining in the state, and these people are taking and flaunting and flogging that horse continuously for their political gains.
Because sir, मंत्री आंसर दूसरा दिला.
अरे
Answer I asked very specifically. Is the AG incompetent? AG को जाइन हल्ले. AG को appoint now. AG is defending several cases.
आमचो सॉलिसिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया, गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडियाचो सॉलिसिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया, आणि जेन्ना प्रोसिजर ताका खबर आसूंक जाय की आमी एजीचे थ्रूच आमी सिलेक्ट करता, आमी ओन आमी वचूंक शकना, तेजे परमिशन घेवन लॉ डिपार्टमेंट कडे येता, तेजे उपरांत मुख्यमंत्री कडे वयता, तेजे उपरांत आमी आमचे पॅनल ऑफ लॉयर्स सिलेक्ट करता. आणि त्याच बरोबर जेन्ना तो म्हणटा की स्टेटाचे फायनान्सीस ह्याच डिपार्टमेंटान सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंट पेक्षा चड 750 कोटी सुमार रुपया आमी आयज रेज केल्ले आसा गेल्या 5 वर्सांत, आणि तेजे भायर 1.25% खर्च जाल्लो आसा. तुम्ही जर समज 100 कोटी रुपया जर जाल्ले आणि आम्ही एक 9-10 कोटी रुपया त्यांनी जे विचारलेले 9.292 crores, तर हांव समजू शकता. पण हांगा 750 कोटी आम्ही रेव्हेन्यू आयज स्टेटाक आम्ही आयज जनरेट केल्ले आसा.
Because रेव्हेन्यू जो जनरेट केला मान्य
आणि
मंत्री
आम्ही तुषार मेहताचे सॉलिसिटर जनरल आहात, त्यांची ऍडवाइस घेता जेन्ना सुप्रीम कोर्टाक मॅटर पावता. हेच लोक जे कोर्ट हांगा घालता, जोपर्यंत ते फायनल इन फायनॅलिटी जायना सुप्रीम कोर्टान, तेन्ना आमी तेजे निर्णय हा म्हणून आमी म्हणूंक शकना. आमी टेम्पल ऑफ जस्टीस म्हणटा आमी सुप्रीम कोर्टात, तेन्ना तो विषय तेन्ना पावता, तेन्ना आमकां हे विषय घुसपोवन फायनान्शियल स्टेट हेका कळना ते कितें विचारपाक जाय, तेका उत्पन्न कितले जाला ते तरी वाचात.
Because very specific. ये लोकांक TCP डिपार्टमेंट फोर्स कोता. Example, TCP डिपार्टमेंट एक अंडर इवैल्यूएशन झाले. People went, there was court direction. That is when you all revised it. And that you say the 700 crores.
I am very grateful to the Honorable
Before
Chief
so much
Minister.
income was not coming.
Speaker sir,
There
I
was
am
no
very
income
grateful to
coming.
the Honorable Chief Minister. केन्ना तेका दिसता की बाबा जाय ते ह्यो गोष्टी घडटा आणि आयज डेव्हलपमेंट ह्या तरेन जाता. त्यांनी ते स्टेटाचे इंटरेस्टान त्यांनी ते रेट्स वाडयले. ते रेट्स वाडयले म्हणून आमकां आयज ह्या तरेचे उत्पन्न आमकां गावला, जे आयज पर्यंत खंयच्याच TCP डिपार्टमेंटाक ते उत्पन्न गावूंक ना. And हे सगळे
But they were under-evaluated.
राव रे,
You were forced to do it.
I have to address you, I should address him.
Because
Let him-
he was.
I will address
Let
you.
him finish talking.
After long you're sitting on the speaker's chair, deputy speaker, so at least let me address you. You're allowing him to just go on talking. I am saying that they are flogging a horse that is already about to die, that floss has no meaning, that shut down mining in the state of Goa. That's why the state is going under tremendous stress of financial pressure. And these people want no development in the state of Goa. If they don't want development in the state of Goa, they should come with a charter of demand that gives a solution on how the state should progress.
We have already.
And
given
also
a charter
second
of
thing,
demand.
just because he's a leader of opposition, he doesn't have solutions to the problem. He's asking me a question, I'm answering him.
Are you
And I
not
never said
answering?
anything about him.
I'm
I'm
not-
talking to you, Honorable Speaker, is that when a department is raising so much money, and there is an issue of complex nature, then you take the best of legal minds that are there in the country to deal with that issue, so that interpretation of the law and making us understand how to move forward is important. To have the best lawyers in the country and not listen to him by what he is saying. When he forms a government, that is way God knows where he may
Because,
be
sir,
in
let us
retirement
talk
age,
about today.
that's when the Congress will be, because his
Because
leaders are
let
ready to sit
let
in
me be very
opposition.
honest. Well, सध्या mining बंद केले, कोणी बंद केले?
अरे तुम्हीच बंद केलं
Manoj
mining.
Parrikar is on record saying he shut down mining.
अरे तो कितें म्हणो, तुम्ही बंद केलं mining.
मंत्री आल्लो, ओ मंत्री सगळे कॅबिनेट डिसिजन आल्लो. मायनिंग बंद कोण केले? कित्याक उलयता? एक हरजोत एक कोडे, हरजो एक दुसरे कोडे. कितें चल्ला स्पीकर सर? आन्सर ना काय ना.
बिकॉज सर आता अर्धो होच क्वेश्चन.
फुडें वाचूया. Start question number 1. Start
अरे
question
तू
number 1.
आमकां यो यावटेन.
तो वचना बिनाका.
अरे तो वचना काय तू येता ते तिगूय
Start
हाडटा.
question number 1.
काय बिनाका तू आमगे
अरे आमगे सोड, कोण खंय वचना.
Question number 1.
1B. आता तो पड आता तोच पयलीं येतलो आमगे जाल म्हणटी साखर.
हे आता speaker sir, I am addressing you. This is that 1B. And if you expect me to know this by heart, I cannot know this by
You've
heart.
been health
I
minister
have
for
one sec.
15
I
years.
may be health minister for donkeys years, that doesn't matter, but this is the type of questions, 15 questions in one. Legislation should not allow this or ask us to place it or make it unstand and we'll give them all the
questions.
information. How do I understand this? Let them ask. To my
Okay,
wisdom,
I'll ask
whatever
please.
time I've been there, I will ask, but
Baba,
this is, what is this?
We have to do more
Is this
questions
not
also
voluminous?
after
How much
one,
do I say?
please.
Every figure I'm supposed to know? And look at this type of question. How does legislature allow this?
Speaker sir, let me ask. Speaker sir, first of all, this is very important. Itle yahan because this is relating to the health ministry. It is relating to GMC and the district hospitals. Let me speak. Mache Tondai Naik. Basically, yes, I naga mache. Speaker sir, I'll be very specific. COVID acha vedar, there were a lot of things got exposed. Unpreparedness, people died due to oxygen, other medical facilities. Anik, jenna lack of facilities actually, a lot of people died. Hundreds of deaths today due to road accidents, inadequate infrastructure. Anik, Sarkar, or Kumkaran Koso Ogoha, especially in this thing. Speaker sir, I've been raising these health issues for the last 4 years. So that these issues are discussed, people get the benefit. Ada, South Goa District Hospital, jenna o issue hai tya vedar tinga 193 posts aaj vacant asa. Anik jaun senior surgeons, anesthetists, 39 staff nurses, X-ray technicians, 73 MTS. And as per, you have got the public health standard volume. As per these volumes, whatever, आमी तू प्रश्न इंसान है आमी बारीकशा लक्ष्य गाने थे हमको ने यहाँ से Speaker sir, आज under Annexure 10, you have given list of essential equipment, especially for South Goa District, Anik District Hospital. Anik, in this reply, your reply is not satisfactory. Speaker sir, आज radiology department and as per the rules of this act, साधारण तिंगा cardiologist na, nephrologist na, urologist na, आज district hospital and OPD and acute shortage of medicines. Local purchase bills are not paid for last 8 to 9 months. Vendors are not giving medicines to the hospital. Salaries of staff, I've got all the lists, I'll give you the names. 3 months they have not been paid. Trauma care unit start zatle mun sanglole not started. Critical block unit jepot sanglole kotlemu not started. Only 2 ambulances in South Goa District Hospital today. MRI machine, it is a basic necessity. 4 orsa almost hame uloita on this MRI machine. 4 orsa. People today are suffering. Neurosurgery, it's not there. Speaker sir, Ada Mugelo first supplementary. Speaker sir, my first supplementary is why step motherly treatment to South Goa? Will the government fix responsibility? It is enough. Enough is enough. Last 1.5 years, I had also asked about the proposal sent. It is shocking. In Annexure B, the proposals that are being sent to the finance department, they are pending. Will you fix this responsibility? When will South Goa District Hospital? I congratulated you first time as an MLA when you announced for the CAT lab. The CAT lab kaich na. Mode mudug lale CAT lab oir Teresa che aten. Speaker sir, today people are dying. South Goa District Hospital was a Congress project. Today that was done by the Congress. He was the health minister. Maybe people have changed and gone to the other side. But that was done for people to get justice. When Magelo Puelo, first supplementary, when will you fix the problem of South Goa District Hospital? Committee ata, dotra ata, nothing has happened. Absolutely nothing. Will you fix this? Please tell us. This is my first supplementary.
Speaker sir, it's very easy to be in the opposition because you have to raise issues, we are going into an election year and say it's not very easy to run an institution like this. And I'm not saying that we have not done anything. As far as the South Goa District Hospital. He has asked me first about the South Goa District Hospital. I have discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister also on multiple occasions, is that we are looking for doctors as far as OPD is concerned. Once a week, there's an OPD of cardiology that is being run in the South Goa District Hospital. In addition to that, we are running a very successful setup in the Goa Medical College, and we are trying to see that we get the best of specialists and doctors from time to time. Yesterday, you must have seen the tweet. We got another 3 doctors to work in the cancer department. What I'm trying to say is that what he said, we have in the last 2 months, we have increased the bed strength by another 150. I think Honorable Leader Vijay Sardesai brought it to my notice, Honorable Chief Minister brought it to my notice, is that patients were being put on stretchers and all this. So we gave directions that not a single patient will be on stretchers. 150 beds were increased. More than any kind of teaching institute there, it is the facilities that we provide.
Today, yesterday night also there is a
Either you allow me to answer or you sit quiet. I'll sit quiet. I'll sit quiet. You only answer.
No, you are.
No, I can't answer.
Today as well, people are there on
If he is
stretchers.
going to continue to disturb my thoughts, I will not be able to answer his question, and then you can move to the next question, because all I want my department only. If this question is of value to him, then he has to also understand that he has to join. And main major Speaker sir, the basic thing is it is not in my hands, it is not in my only hands whether we want to do a cardiac setup. We have had a detailed discussion with Dr. Guru Prasad Naik and the whole team there whether we can have a unit 2 posted in the South Goa District Hospital. They said no, we cannot have a unit 2, you need to create a new unit in South Goa District Hospital.
You proposed a CAT lab, no?
He has questioned to me, sir, Vatslyar. Then he is asked right from the procurement onwards to what you have done in 5 years. It's not a 1-year question. Or it's not my last commitment that is made in the assembly. It is a huge question and which our department has given and uploaded. Actually, Secretary Legislature asked me whether I'm postponing. I said, no, we are uploading it and withdraw my letter. Let it all go. Most important, Speaker, sir, as far as this South Goa District Hospital, I on record am in this house. Chief Minister also in his presence, I have said that we will commission it fully. What we require there is neurology, neurosurgery, and we require orthopedics, which is most important. Intervention, because there are people who come from Kanpur, and he come from Kanpur, then they come to the South Goa District Hospital, and from there they come to Goa Medical College. We are aware of that. Actually, I've got all the statistics of the referrals that have been doing. These are all accident cases and all where the referrals are being doing, which should be actually handled there. We are in the process of seeing that we are able to comprehensive proposals of Mr. Nilesh Kabral's constituency, and then we are doing our South Goa District Hospital, then Subhash Valdesai's Sangye Hospital, which newly being built, and also further assessment of the Goa Medical College on how we can take it further. South Goa District Hospital requires these 2 specialities immediately. And also MRI proposal order has been already sent. Finance is in the proposal of placing that order. And Honorable Chief Minister,
When you said this 2 years ago.
Speaker sir, it doesn't work like that. In Goa
Speaker
Medical
sir,
College,
okay, I'll just ask you. I'll just ask you, Speaker sir.
I just want to
MRI machine
mention
is a
to him.
basic
Honorable
tool
member.
required there. When there are stroke patients, it is necessary so that an MRI is
Speaker
Speaker
sir.
sir, okay, Mantri Maje boss, I'll tell you 1 minute. Now, Speaker sir, Annexure F, which is available in what you have said, ki urology opinion जाय जाला GM neurology opinion जाय जाला GM orthopedic department na CKD जे chronic kidney disease हे जाता renal failure department takes the view sends to GMC. STEMI patients are thrombolized and sent to GMC. And the North Goa district tingai sarke CT scan na tumkai potta, Honorable Speaker. There is no CT scan machine. In Ponda it's worse. 4 mantri ashille. Eklo amcho bab Ravi bab naik na. Ekla mutung diyoilo. Ata Sudin bab Swaminyan kit ko to te sango जाईना. पण तेजा होणे म्हाका दिसता तुम्ही आज लक्ष घालपाक जाय. हे CT scan machine tingai na. If you look at the referrals, I'll just give the Honorable Minister a look. North Goa has the highest referrals, MAPSA, 7,326 in 2024. Anik, if you look at the total referrals, what was 9,400 in 21, is shot to 15,000. 15,000. Speaker sir, Ponda is the highest, 834. That was in 2021 is gone to 3,200 in 2025. म्हणजे जे referral 2021 9,500 आशिल्ले आज 15,000 लोक GMC refer जाता. आज Speaker sir, आता even Mapsa Asilo Hospital, why this step motherly treatment? आज Speaker sir, if you look at major issues that are in GMC. All load at and sogle GMC dotrache my dotra tras ada. We have the highest respect for the doctors. Speaker sir, cancer patients je pada ha. This is a fact now what I am pointing out. In GMC, cancer therapies up to 15% are sent to other private hospitals. 15%, either within the state or outside. Why is the reason? Because there is no intensivist. One doctor intensivist is not there. Speaker sir, ICU bed available now. There is so many patients coming there. People have to be taken out of the ICU. Ada intensivist Goa Medical College in na. How currently there is only, you have an anesthetist.
Speaker, sir, point of order. The figure that he mentioned of 7,000 from South Goa District Hospital, I just want him to...
No, I said not South Goa
He-
District
he's
Hospital.
wrong.
Speaker sir, I'll be very specific. I've got all the figures.
You should be very specific so I can actually give a specific
The
answer.
total figures of South Goa was 4582. I'm talking about 14,890 are the total referrals. Total. Speaker sir, Anna, जो intensivist असता, he is the head. आता currently anesthetist under थिंगा procedure जाते. Cancer treatment लोका त्रास जाता थिंगा. Because this is basically जे liver cirrhosis जाता. लोका कितले liver part जाता. Speaker sir, आज they are forced to go to private hospitals. Expenses are incurred by over 35 lakhs. इतलो खर्च जाता. KLE, Mumbai, Hyderabad, enga lokang ospak patta. Speaker sir, all this can be prevented by just getting one intensivist. Today, Goa Medical College, Zorito thing casualty thoil zala. You know the load. Every 7 minutes, one ambulance comes. Every 7 minutes. Speaker sir, casualty is overcrowded. Patient time, which is normally 3 to 6 hours, raupa pata. My sagle amdara phone येता आपला casualty भितर गेलना. ते दोतोर कित कोतले. 3-3 100 आठ थिंगा रावताय. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता हे cancer patientच्या लागून we need to make sure in GMC also. I'm talking specifically in GMC. Then I'll put a pointed question. There are two types of diagnosis: advanced treatment and advanced diagnostic. आता हे PET scan machine हे हाडपाक जाय म्हणून गेलते वर्सा हें सांगिल्लें आपूण तेको सायन्सा मंत्री को उलयता मुखेलमंत्री कडेन. हे PET scan is a basic tool to detect cancer. You all don't even have that. 1.5 years I've been screaming at the top of my voice. I'm not screaming because of anything, because that is required. You can diagnose, especially because of that, je pade advanced technology asa. You all are using the cobalt technology for radiology, for basically treating radiotherapy. Aaj linear accelerator machines for targeted thing like LINAC. This is not there with you. So basically, cancer patients, you know best. There is no one better who knows about cancer. But today, Speaker sir, when we see these things, intensivist is not there, and all the pressure comes on one person. Jenna OT hota hai, patient da bahar cut hai. These are common issues. 20% of the cases are postponed in GMC. Aaj zatole, fal zatole, and they are kept nil by mouth early in the morning till afternoon. Aaj zatle operation hola. This is the status today in GMC, Speaker sir. Super specialty to robotic surgery ko tumu sangile. Ke zale robotic surgery che. Aaj I'll give you a very specific question. Ki despite the assurance on the floor of the house, you have failed to get the PET scan. Will you minimize this load that is coming on GMC? What is the, don't tell me that in 1990s what was GMC, that is what you answer normally. What will you do to improvise the situation now currently? Because all referrals are coming there.
How many questions? 3, 4, 5, 6. One I have to answer.
Will you improvise the situation? This is a fact, whatever I
just
said.
want to know, he has spoken for last 10 minutes. Now I didn't understand it. I understood the matter. What is the question? I want to know one line. What is the question? Because I am not as literate as him, but I need in one line what is the question. Then I will answer.
When
Till
there
then I
is
am not
so
answering.
much
Speaker, sir.
load on GMC, what will you
I
do to
want one.
minimize?
Are you asking him to ask 10 questions? One question you ask,
अरे
I'll
गुना का
answer.
हम काय जाए दूसरे question
Arey, one question, Speaker sir.
Ask
One
your question.
question, let him answer.
Ask your question.
He is a pilot. You should know. One question you ask me, no, I'll answer.
अरे जीएमसी लोक मत तो उडीत
What is the
जातलो
question?
ओ वाडटले
What is the question?
लोक
क्वेश्चन कितें हे इलेक्शनाची रॅली न्हू हे विधानसभा क्वेश्चन विचार हांव उत्तर दिता I don't know now. You are not asking him to ask a question. I am not answering anything.
Ask your question.
अरे स्पीकर साहेब आन्सर दिले ना तेणे
अरे मग क्वेश्चनच कळना कितें तें
हे कितें स्पीकर
क्वेश्चन
साहेब
कितें हांव
अरे
तेच
स्पीकर
विचारता.
साहेब
ताका
दिस इज मेकिंग
कसलो
फन ऑफ दिस
उत्तर जाय
हाऊस
हांवें पॅट स्कॅन हाडूंक जाय काय हांवें ते हे ऑपरेशन न जाता ते टायम कमी करूंक जाय इंटरव्हेन्शन आसूं जाय कितें क्वेश्चन कितें
नो what will you do these are the current issues with cancer
You ask me to ask me a specific question. This cannot go on like this.
स्पीकर साहेब मंत्रीक टाइम गेलो जाय हो आन्सर दिना तू आन्सर दिना फकत गोल घुमायता हे
करा फुडें मरे.
बरें दुसरे इन्सर क्वेश्चन दुसरे इन्सर
Girish
स्पीकर
Barkar.
स्पीकर साहेब
Girish Barkar.
काय दिला आन्सर
स्पीकर सर आन्सर तरी युरी काय मेळोंक ना आतां म्हाका मेळटलो काय ना तें आमकां खबर ना पण हांव विचारता आतां स्पेसिफिकली हांगा अशें उत्तर आमकां अशें मेळलें की नो शॉर्टफॉल इन हेल्थ केअर सेक्टर आतां हो जो उत्तर डिपार्टमेंट दिता आमी एवरी टायम पळयता की आमच्या म्हाज्या मतदारसंघान जीएमसी येता आतां जीएमसीची कॅज्युलिटी फूल आसता स्पीकर सर आमी पळयता की आयसीयू बेड ना कमी आसा एवरी टायम आयसीयू ना म्हणून भायर रावचें पडटा व्हेंटिलेटर ना सारके तुमी पळयता की जेन्ना ल्हान भुरगे जाले जल्माक येयले नाल्यार तांकां जो व्हेंटिलेटर सिस्टम आसपाक जाय तो आसना ताका लागून तांकां प्रायवेटान रेफर करता दुसरें जेन्ना ऑपरेशन्स पळयता स म्हयने ऑपरेशनाक डिले आसा 6 म्हयने उत्तर हे मिनिस्टराचें आसा की हेल्थ केअर सेक्टरान कांयच म्हटल्यार कांयच ना म्हणटा म्हणजे सगळें बरें चल्लां आतां स्पीकर सर आमी पळयता खूब जाणांक बेडां मेळना सायडीक बसयता जमनीर न्हिदयता हेंय चालू आसा
प्रश्न
इतले स्पीकर सर ना MRI स्कॅन करपाक जाय CT स्कॅन करपाक जाय तांकां डिले जाता तांकां टायमींग दिता फुडें दुखलिता डायलिसीस पेशंटांक डिले जाता आतां हें सगळें जालें एक हो मिनिस्टर सांगता की तरी पूण म्हणटा की सगळें सिस्टम सारको आसा आमचो शॉर्टफॉल कांयच ना म्हणटा आतां एक आमचो म्हाजो सारको पॉयंटेड क्वेश्चन की इतलें सगळें जें करता तें कित्याक लागून करता लोकांची सेवा करपाक जो पब्लीक सेक्टर जो आसा आमचो पब्लीक हेल्थ केअर आसा हितून लोकांक सर्वीस मेळपाक लागून करता तेन्ना लोकांक हें ना म्हणून आतां सावथाचें जेन्ना हें पळयताले आमी हो वाडत आसा 2021 3717 जालो सावथाच्या जीएमसीन येता 2022 3885 जालो 2023 4442 जालो 2024 4739 जालो 2025 4582 जालो म्हटल्यार एवरी इयर हेजो इन्क्लायन जाता वाडत आसा आतां म्हाका स्पेसिफीक मिनिस्टराक विचारपाचें आसा की इतले जेन्ना शॉर्टफॉल आसा तुमचो उत्तर एक आसा की आमचे कांयच हेल्थ केअर सेक्टरान शॉर्टफॉल ना तुमी मानून घेवपाक जाय आमचो शॉर्टफॉल आसा आनी तो शॉर्टफॉलाक लागून आमी काम करतले पण ते कांयच दिसून येना सो म्हाका विचारपाचें आसा की आयज हे प्रायवेट सेक्टरान धाडटा आयज कितलेशे प्रायवेट पयशे ना आयज लोकांक त्रास जाता लोक आयज तकली उडयल्ली आसा कोणाक 15,000 सॅलरी आसता तरी पूण ताका प्रायवेटान 3-3 लाख भरचे पडटा 5 लाख भरचे पडटा 10 लाख भरचे पडटा कोणा कडेन मिनिस्टरा कडेन बाकीच्या कडेन पयशे आसत पयशे पण ह्या बाबडे गरीब लोकांचे मातशे तरी चिता सो म्हाका विचारपाचें आसा मिनिस्टराक की हो जो शॉर्टफॉल तुमच्या आतां ह्या एलिफ्यूनूय येता कितले रेफरल हांगा येयल्ले आसा सो इतलो शॉर्टफॉल आमकां दिसता आख्खे गोंयची जनता पळयता की शॉर्टफॉल आसा सो मिनिस्टरान सांगचें की हो शॉर्टफॉल केन्ना पर्यंत ते क्लियर करतले आनी हे सगळे फॅसिलिटीज SSBन जावं साउथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आसा आजुल्यो आसा जीएमसी आसा हांगा फॅसिलिटीज केन्ना पर्यंत मेळटल्यो आनी एक तो जो युनिट आसा तो केन्ना स्टार्ट करतलो
ऑनरेबल मेंबरान जे सांगला जेन्ना ऑनरेबल मेंबर म्हाजे कडेन आयलो जेन्ना डॉक्टर बांदेकर डीन आशिल्लो तेजे मांडूर फॅसिलिटी बी इम्प्रूव करपाची आशिल्ली आनी ताका सांगलें MLA बरोबर घेवन ते फंक्शन आसूं काय कितें एम्ब्युलन्स आसूं प्रत्येक गोश्ट आयज ताका कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन कर म्हणून हांवें सांगलें हांव उलयतां
4 वर्सां जाली लेबर रूम जो स्टार्ट करपाक
हांव उलयतां तें उलोव
अजून सांगना
म्हाका प्रॉब्लेम ना 12:30 जातलो विशय मेन म्हणजे कितें स्पीकर सर आय हॅव नेवर सेड एट एनी गिवन पॉयंट ऑफ टायम दॅट एवरीथिंग इज 100% परफेक्ट देर आर सर्टन थिंग्स दॅट हॅव टू बी कोप्ड अप विथ आता तुम्ही जे सांगले की काही लोक असा परिस्थिती आयज जेन्ना ICU बेड गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आयज मुख्यमंत्रीन सँक्शन करून GSIDCंतल्यान आमी ते इनॉग्रेट आता म्हाका दिसता ह्याच दिसान केल्यार बरें आता मकर संक्रांत बी चालू जाल्ली बरो दिसा करता आमी बेगीन
गोड मकर संक्रांती चालू आसा गोड बोलून हे लोकांक
गोड बोलून
लेबर रूमाचे ना त्यांनी उल्लेख केलो की जो मंडूर हेल्थ सेंटर आम्ही एकूच डिमांड एक आमचो सिंपल आसलो लेबर रूम जो आसा तो ऑपरेशनल करतो तो लोड मातसो शिफ्ट जातलो
let me
4 वर्सां जाली अजून
Let me
जायना
speak.
सो
Let him
आमकां
reply.
सांगता की मंडूर हेल्थ सेंटराचे
Allow him to finish speaking.
मातशें विचारचें लेबर रूम केन्ना जातलो हो तरी विचारचें तितले तरी इल्लेशें काम जाता
ना तुम्ही विचारले दोन प्रश्न विचारले दोन प्रश्नाचं उत्तर दिता हांव. तुम्ही विचारले की NICU प्रॉब्लेम जाता NICU प्रॉब्लेम जाता म्हणून आम्ही NICU नवो GSIDCंतल्यान आता कमिशन आता करपाचें आसा कारण ते बेड्स जे फूल जाता ते भुरग्याक आमी हालूं शकना केन्ना केन्ना तो भुरगो जो एडमिट जंय जाता अरे एक मिनिट साहेब हांव उलोवन तरी दी तुझो विषय 2 मिनटान जावचो ना रे ते मेन म्हणजे कितें आहा की हे बेडां आयज 30 बेड हाचे NICU आयज आमी कमिशन करता इनॉग्रेशनाचे सोडून ताबडतोब कमिशन कर म्हणून आमी सांगला म्हणजे ते भुरगे जे आसा डॉक्टर मागीर ते भुरगे वाचोवपाचो प्रयत्न करता म्हाका कळटा की जेन्ना ते हेल्थवेन काय मणिपालान वयता तांकां त्रास जाता ते पयशे भरपाक जायना मागीर तेजे उपरांत गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजात परत हाडपाचो आमी प्रयत्न करता बेड तयार करपाक ICU जितके बेड आसता आयज बी तुमी गेल्यार ते बेडां 100% फूल असतात ते वाडोवपाची परिस्थिती आहे इवन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आसूं काय SSBन आयज तुम्ही पळयला तुम्ही स्वतः वयता गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान SSBन आयज नवे प्रकारचे अँड लेटेस्ट आमी हाडलेले आतां कोणी सांगले रोबोटिक हाडूंक ना रोबोटिकूच आयज न्यूरो सर्जरी बी सगळे रोबोटिकच्या माध्यमांतल्यान चलता तुम्ही जे सांगल्या हांवें म्हणूंक ना हांवें म्हणूंक ना
म्हाका फक्त जाय की केन्ना पर्यंत जातलें
I'll sit down. Main is that every aspect is being looked at. Honorable Speaker, you represent the North Goa and MAPSA. You know the difficulties that we have there and the things that have to be done. To get the doctors, to get intervention, it's easy to make a speech, but I have to get them, make them available. And after making them available, they come from private sector, but their expectation also in terms of salaries is much higher than the existing doctor that is on a regular basis. So there is an imbalance. And order because of that imbalance, they don't stay for a long period. And it is important for us to allow, if the House is in agreement, to open up the system so that doctors from peripheral areas and peripheral states, we should be able to recruit them in the state of Goa on contract basis. I have no problem. We need doctors. We are running short of doctors. Nurses are there. Every other aspect can be taken care of by the state of Goa. But when specialist doctors are concerned, we need to get them. We have got now Amit Maideo. Honorable CM is helping me do the
Speaker sir.
Ram
Speaker sir, question. Time काबर जाता?
Time काबर जाता?
एक मिनिट
विरोधी पक्ष उलयता.
केन्ना पर्यंत जातले?
I sit down. My time is up. I cannot answer any more questions.
क्वेश्चन की आणि आन्सर फिरेश बोरकारान शॉर्टफॉल असा म्हणून सांगले आन्सर दिता रिप्लाय शॉर्टफॉल म्हणटा मुखेलमंत्र्यान सांगता
एक प्रशासनाक लोड वाडटा.
तेच हांव सांगता
लोड वाडटा.
शॉर्टफॉल असा
उत्तराचेर वचू नाका. लोड तुका खबर आहा.
तितून म्हणटा तुम्ही शॉर्टफॉल शॉर्टफॉल मुखेलमंत्र्याक सांगला तितून क्लिअर कट कळटा.
विजय सरदेसाई. विजय सरदेसाई.
स्पीकर सर शॉर्टफॉल हेल्थ केअर ना म्हणून जे सांगले मंत्र्यान जे इलेक्शन एफन
The banner that he carried, Honorable Member Venzi Vegas carried, 52 crores wasted in Tuve Hospital. Where is it justified?
It is justified.
Where is it justified? Do you have a CAG para? Do you have a CAG para? Do you have a CAG para? He doesn't have a CAG para. Nowhere is mentioned. He's
Justification.
No, there has to be a justification. There has to be a justification when a responsible member of the house is carrying a placard in the house. And it is not built by the health department and he cannot make allegations to any department. In this floor of the house, not having a
Venzi
CAG
Vegas.
for a backup.
Venzi Vegas. Sit down. Sit
Because
down. No.
the minister has agreed that is
I have not agreed. I need a justification of his statement.
Listen.
Vegas.
One minute. Speaker sir, the referrals to GMC in 2021 was 4,900. In 2025 it has become 8,100. So there is a 63% rise. And what has happened? All these district hospitals are mere referral centers. The whole world knows it. Speaker sir, will the minister give me an answer? Who is responsible for the delay in all these facilities which were supposed to come to South Goa District Hospital? And how many stroke, head injury
cancer patient, whatever, were forced to travel to Bamboli because the machine was never installed. Yeah, the code, who is responsible?
Speaker,
Simple
sir.
question.
Speaker, sir, the treatment protocol for strokes, apart from STEMI, which I was the one who started in the state of Goa.
No, Goa
one sec.
South District
One
Hospital.
sec. I will
specific.
come to South Goa District Hospital. आयज लोक मरता म्हणून एक मिसकन्सेप्शन लोकांक मिसगायड करपाचो प्रयत्न करू नाकात.
अरे, reference इतले वाटता काय?
29 एक मिनिट म्हाका उत्तर
Reference इतले वाटता की लोक मारना म्हणटा.
Question hour is over.
म्हाका उलोव न्ही. तू उलयता जाल्यार कितें आता तो उलयता
म्हणटा.
आनी जे विरोधी पार्टी सांगता तेच आयकपाचें.
Question hour सोंपलेलो. Zero hour mention. Cruz Silva.